Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chocolate for chocolate-covered strawberries. First, let's talk about your chocolate choice. For the best outcome, always opt for high-quality baking chocolate or melting wafers. While semi-sweet and bittersweet are popular, milk chocolate also works beautifully. Remember to avoid regular chocolate chips, as they contain stabilizers that prevent smooth melting. Also, ensure your strawberries are perfectly dry and at room temperature before you begin. Now for the easiest way to melt your chocolate, the microwave method. Begin by finely chopping your chosen chocolate into small, uniform pieces. Place them in a microwave-safe bowl. Heat the chocolate at 50% power for 30-second intervals, stirring well after each one. This prevents burning. Continue until the chocolate is about 90% melted, then remove it and stir until completely smooth and glossy. To achieve that beautiful, smooth, and shiny coating, we'll add a little secret ingredient. Stir in 1 to 2 teaspoons of coconut oil or vegetable shortening to your melted chocolate. This helps thin the chocolate, making it easier to dip and ensuring a lovely, glossy finish without complex tempering. Mix until it's fully incorporated and the chocolate is wonderfully fluid. Transfer it to a tall, narrow cup for easier dipping. You're ready to dip. Hold each strawberry by its stem and submerge it into the melted chocolate, coating about 3/4 of the way up. Gently tap the strawberry against the bowl's edge to remove any excess chocolate. If you're adding toppings like sprinkles or chopped nuts, do so immediately. Place your dipped strawberries on a parchment-lined baking sheet to set. They'll be ready in about 15 minutes at room temperature or a bit faster in the refrigerator.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.